Hi traders and welcome to my Bitcoin scalping challenge where I will be buying and selling Bitcoin in the short term to try to turn a profit. So right now, today we had a very interesting day. In the early morning, Bitcoin hit a high at around 2,800 and then it got heavily rejected, as you can see here, and fell a large amount. And then at around my time, which is at around midday, around 12 o'clock, 12:30, Bitcoin began to have this bullish run. We had a bullish move here, then a bit of consolidation, and then a bullish move here, and now we have a bit of downward consolidation, as you can see. Let's see. It's at 2386, the 13.5 bids. But it just dropped to 2381. So that's a really bad sign. Again, my strategy remains I need to see a weak string of offers and a very strong bid wall that just pushes price up. If I can see that, then yeah, I'll buy. But I'm not going to buy when there's a string of weak bids and strong offers, especially at the 92.58 area, 0.53. That just is too strong. And buying into this market would just not be the best idea, especially now. I really need to see bids to start piling up, because this just kind of looks like a market free fall. But hopefully it consolidates right now. That would be lovely if the volatility just stopped here and price just kind of consolidated for like 20 minutes. Then I would confidently buy and target this or the high up here. But I don't know if we'll get to see consolidation and a pause. Yeah, I don't know if we'll get to see that. We can see the buyers are starting to come in though. So this might be where we want to buy. This might be where we want to buy. We have some bids coming in here. Let's look at those bids. So we have a low spread, which is great. That'll eventually shrink to 0.01. Oh, now the spread is crazy. Okay, so we can see the bidders are starting to push price up. So I think this might be our spot to buy, because the bidders are beginning to gain momentum, as you can see here, 2401. Should I just market buy? I think I'm just going to market buy because I'm trying to type in prices. It's just not working well. And I'll take any fee I get, really. 1,000. Market buy 1,000. I think I want to do this. I really think this looks very bullish with this bid wall forming. So I'm going to buy because there's a bid wall forming right now, and just it looks like the market's going to go up. So I think I want to just buy into this market. All right, so I bought for $1,000, and I'm confident that this market just will go up. Yeah, so I just bought into the market for 1,000, and hopefully we can see price continue to go up from this level. I don't always love to do market orders, but I'm actually kind of glad I did a market order there, because I feel like the bids are starting to come in here, and that's why I chose to do a market order. just don't love how large that ask wall is, but I think that buyers will likely buy out that ask wall, and that's why I bought. So I bought into the market for 0.408. So that would be somewhere out here. So yeah, I bought the market at this price, and I'm hoping that price will go up. Yeah, the only problem with what I did with buying, with using a market order, what happens is that you pay a lot more fees, and maybe that was not a fantastic idea at using a market order, because like look at the fee already. Yeah, that's the issue with market orders, is that the fees really get you. I just saw that price was gonna very likely come up, so I said to myself, okay, so I can either miss out on this or I can use a market order to get in on this, and I chose to use my $1,000 to get in on this potential uptrend that I think will happen. So I'm going to close the video now, and I will reopen the video in a bit when we can close our position either at a loss or at a profit. So I'll open up then. So I just exited my trade that I had bought at this level right here. I bought this, and I just exited right here after this downtrend proved pretty strong. And I made 20 bucks on the trade, as you can see here. 1019.3 is my account right now. So 20 buck gain today. I would call that definitely a success. The reason I got out of this trade, even though it is slightly going up right now, is because there was a bid wall of about 50. I mean, a offer wall of about 50, and there were no bids. So I was scared that price was just going to crash through these levels. And yeah, that actually did not happen. I think this was a mistake. We did make 20 bucks today, but I would still call this a mistake because price just went up 30 bucks from when I got it out of it at 02. So I would definitely call this like not a great idea. It's just that I saw an offer wall that looked pretty scary, and I reacted accordingly, when maybe in reality I should have waited a bit. But that's going to do it for trade one, and I'm glad that we made a profit.